Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us for another amazing week on our Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. And our very special guest this week, Bill Robertson Art. Thank you for joining us, Bill. I love your work, mate. You are super cool. And if you've ever checked it out, guys, he does a collab on Fridays. It's Fridays with Friends with BCC Arts, Billy and Mary Kurt. So feel free to check it out. It's a great collab. Always something new and amazing going on in there. So this week I'm going to have some fun with some loaded palette knife swipes and a radial swipe, of course, using the same colour palette, but just showing how something can look so different just by using a different style. So kick back, put them feet up, start tapping. I'm sure Wombat's about to bring you some tunes. Hopefully there won't be silence this week. Let's see how he goes.
Shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. I don't wanna stop right now. All I need is a drum with the heavy beat. Hit me with that future sound. It's time to let go, we're not going home. This feeling I can't live without. So shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. This is our party, and this is where the beat goes down. Feel the music on the stereo. As we let the rhythm take control, we're gonna dance like we don't care. Keep on popping bottles like we're millionaires. Yeah, we're just getting started, living for the weekend. Shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. I don't wanna stop right now. All I need is a drum with the heavy beat. Hit me with that future sound. It's time to let go, we're not going home. This feeling I can't live without. So shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. This is our party, and this is where the beat goes down. This night unforgettable. Making memories we won't recall. One more song is never enough. We ain't gonna stop when the sun comes up. Put the night on replay, cause we never wanna lose this rush. Oh no. Shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. I don't wanna stop right now. All I need is a drum with the heavy beat. Hit me with that future sound. It's time to let go, we're not going home. This feeling I can't live without. So shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. This is our party, and this is where the beat goes down.
much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, we keep going all night. Don't back down, the moment is now. Don't miss out, we're never turning around. The night is young, we're out and free. If you can, try to catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. They'll never see us 'cause we're moving the night. We're always ready if they put up a fight. Outrun, outclimb, we'll outshine. You will run and think it's worth it to try. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, I think you've had enough. We're renegades. Yeah, we're renegades. Too much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, let's keep going all night. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, think you've had enough, you've had enough. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades.
Water rolling down the mountain, and running to the sea. Can't you feel my heartbeat? Steady as a drum, babe, steady as a drum, babe, I'm crawling to me. No, time moves slow. Feel it in your soul. Let me hear you go. So come a little closer, deep inside your mind, of the capsules and the times when you were free. No, time moves slow. You feel it in your soul. Let me hear you go. 'Cause I wanna feel the water rising, moisture over me. I wanna run, we still water, but it warms me out to see. Don't you feel the yearning burning within? Yearning for the skin of the one you cannot win. So come a little closer, deep inside your mind, of the capsules and the times when you were free. No, time moves slow. You feel it in your soul. Let me hear you go.
Oh, should. I'd be better if I thought I could. I'm a sucker for adrenaline, every villain is. Everybody trying to change my ways, but I live just to see you break. I'm a sucker for adrenaline, every villain is. You take the high road, I'll take the low. Everyone lies cause everyone knows. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Oh, 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 a little bit bad. Oh, 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 feels good to be a little bit bad. I'll admit I'm a little bit wicked. I belong in the grave I'm digging. I live like a venom lives. I come alive when I lose control. Everyone lies just to ease their soul. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Oh. Just afraid to show our colors. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad.
Alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed a twofer. Haven't done that for a while, so I thought it'd be something a bit different. But yeah, pretty happy how they turned out. I must admit, I do like the loaded palette knife one better, the Radial. I got lazy on the end there. That's purely me. Got lazy with that palette knife and just had the wrong angle on that last swipe. But you know, it happens. I still think it looks pretty cool, and probably got myself a pretty cool embellishment piece there to play with. So it's never a loss, always a win. So next up after me today, guys, we've got the dynamic duo, my beautiful big sis Cat Pender and my amazing big brother Tony from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So head on over to the chat because I'm sure there's going to be something very, very cool indeed to see. So that is it for me, guys. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy. Bye now.